Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your pipe drives, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change or update your password for your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your password to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes various VAs or assistants have access to your Pipedrive, but they go their own way, so it's better for you to go ahead and change your password. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change or update your password, you're going to need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on company settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here on the left, and you want to click here on password and login. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and change your password to Pipedrive. First, you're going to need to go ahead and enter in your current password, then create a new password, and then confirm your new password. This is optional, but if you want, you can have your Pipedrive account logged out of all other devices. So that way, if you think that somebody has access to your Pipedrive account, they're going to be logged out and they would need to log in again with your new password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've done that, go ahead and click on change password. Okay, next you're going to see this little pop-up. Well, it went by pretty quick, but there's a little pop-up that says that your password has been changed successfully. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your password or even just update your password in your Pipedrive CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.